Hello everybody, and welcome to my virtual or video tour and walkthrough of 1030 Greenwood Avenue, which is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom lease of the main floor of this house. But I thought I'd start out here. We've got a little bit of, don't look over there, it's the clean out. These landlords are very good at keeping everything tidy, and so since the tenants have left, they have cleaned up a lot and painted. That's the entrance to the basement unit. There's a nice young single gentleman who lives in there. And this backyard is for the exclusive use of the main floor tenants of this unit that we are promoting today. You can see it's quite large, ample space. And in here, in there is a big storage room that goes to about there, where you can put bikes and everything like that. I don't have the key, so I'm just going to do that. It's big. It's got a skylight. So this is a great place to entertain and kick back. And if COVID continues, socially distance during the winter. So let's move quickly back and show you there is parking here for one parking spot, and there's kind of an illegal second spot here for guests or something if you want, but Greenwood has lots of parking. When you walk in this house, you walk into the main floor, and the previous tenants have always had a TV up there and like a sectional or a big sofa over there. This is a big wall over here, so you can put a sofa here. I've seen a dining room table here or a desk here. All right. When we turn around, I'm sorry, I should have turned on my lights first. Many apologies. But you are going to see, this is a cute little kitchen, and there's a light switch here for under counter lighting. So these are really tall cabinets, so there is actually no shortage of storage, but there might be a shortage for short people. There's a little IKEA island you can get there. Previous tenants had a perfect one that fit right in there, and some shelves above, so you can really maximize this space. Okay, it's a nice window that overlooks that area that we walked through. So full-size fridge in there, track lighting, smooth ceiling, like I said, tall cabinets, dishwasher, and then this is traditionally the dining room. But again, I've heard of tenants who want to put a big island here and seating in front of it, like a breakfast bar. So if you're really into cooking, you can put a console in the back and an island and continue your cooking all the way out here if there's two of you that are avid cooks. And that's when you would probably have a little dining area here. So there's a lot of space here. This bay window, there's a lot of California shutters. Turning on some lights as I move through, and there's the front hall closet, which is not so much in the front hall, but it's still a closet. This is where the previous entrance used to be to the basement. So here's your storage, lots of storage in here. Goes very deep over the stairs to the basement. You can't really hear the basement, nor can they hear you. And then in here, there's been a desk in here. You can fit a king-size bed. It doesn't give you much room. A queen-size bed is optimal because you want to be able to open this door, and this door will open frequently because it does contain your laundry. 1-year-old stackable laundry. Nice overlook to the yard. Right, and so there's room when there is a bed in here. You've got room here for a dresser, plus you've got a closet there. And this is our second bedroom. But first we will look at the bathroom, which has a window and multi-light and a medicine cabinet and another medicine cabinet and tile on 3 walls. An original tub. Pedestal sink with storage. I don't think they're called pedestals. And then the second bedroom is still a good size. And, oh, it was me not turning on the light. Good size. You might notice some humidity on the windows. That's because we've recently painted. And there is a humidifier in here, which we are just trying to get under control. So do not be fooled by this. This is more of a, this is where you keep your My Little Pony collection that you don't want anybody to see. You know, but it's lots of room. Very deep, right? So it's got lots of room, and the landlords have offered to put a wardrobe in here, like a PAX unit from IKEA or something, if you want. Up to you. Okay, but this property is great for entertaining because it does have this a really good size living and dining area. And it's quite quiet, as you can hear, even though we're next to Greenwood. And Mortimer is just right there, about 150 feet that way. Okay, so if you have any questions, oh, you might have a question, what's that? That is some storage. It used to be backlit. It's kind of like a plant shelf that's got storage and had lighting, but the lighting's disconnected. So it's just something. Yeah, but if you have any questions about this unit or you'd like to see it, please contact your realtor, or you can reach out to me directly, 416-357-7177, Trevor@trevorbond.ca. Thank you.